Yes, yes, people. We're recorded. That means it's another POV. And I just wanted to say, like I always say at the beginning of my videos, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate you if you have subscribed. If you haven't, what are you doing? Subscribe. I think we're, as of right now, 309 of you. So we're smashing it. We're smashing it. Hopefully we're not smashing a car, but on the terms of, I'm talking about smashing cars. Let me just put it into Sports Plus. Haha, jokes. But there we go. I just wanted to talk about a bit of a different sort of topic to this video. Horse. Not horse. That isn't the topic of this video. But there seems to be a lot of them around here. Maybe I should find a different route. But boy, come on. Right, now that that's out of the way, now I've hooned it out. If you enjoyed a hooning about, hit the like button. It really helps me out. It lets me know what you want to see. But this video is going to be a bit shorter, a bit more compact than my usual 20-15 rambling sort of videos. You'll also notice, or hopefully you don't notice too much, that the quality is slightly lower. I'm filming in 1080p instead of my usual 4K. Now that's because at the moment my editing software that I use, it's 4K, it struggles. So whenever I try and, basically my computer's to poverty. I spent all the money on the car and not the computer. But it's the way of life. Gotta ace some things, enjoyment. But I wanted to say, I'm filming in 1080p so that I can edit these videos a little bit better, a little bit higher. Not video quality, but the content, the story that I'm trying to tell should be a little bit better. So with that saying, let's get right into it. And the title of the video is going to be something like, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Something along them lines. But the main reason I'm talking about that is because I might thumbnail something. A while back, I scratched my alloy on the front left side, so the passenger side front rim. I scratched the living daylights out of that, and that was on a curb, one of them pesky buggers. Now, when it first happened, the car, I think I had the car for about a month or 2 months. This is like the nicest thing I've ever owned. Check that, typical BMW driver, not indicating. I'm gonna take it out of Sports Plus now as well, put it in comfort, because this one's gonna be a chill one. I scratched the, I'm hopefully going to put a picture of it up. I scratched my alloy. Basically a fight between my alloy and the curb. The curb won, but the alloy lives to see another day. Now, I was so like annoyed at myself and annoyed that I'd ruined this perfectly nice thing. And then it really got to me. Like, I was really annoyed and upset because obviously it's like the nicest thing I've owned and it cost a lot of money, so I want to look after it. But with that being said, it's just a materialistic thing. Thankfully there wasn't any damage, like performance wise, or it was simply cosmetic cosmetic damage. So it got me thinking. I was wondering, like, am I gonna pay to get it fixed? I'm gonna get a new rim. I can't have this. Like, this is gonna really affect the whole Instagram side of thing. Shout out my Instagram, SamPotter140. Shameless plug. We'll never stop plugging that. But I just wanted to say, like, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, because I'll probably end up scratching the alloy again, because this is a toy. It's not a garage queen, as some of you call it. This is more of a track slag, as people like to throw out there, but it's not a track slag, it's a road slag. I'm throwing that out. If you're not from the UK, you won't know what that means, but it's basically a whore, or yeah, gets thrown about, gets abused. Bit of a sexist term really, but I didn't come up with it, I'm just saying it. Shout out Auto ID for the air freshener. Not sponsored or anything, just think it's cool. So yeah, I just wanted to say, like, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. And on that note, I'm not going to end the video here, don't worry, it's not going to be like a quick 5-minute clip, but I am working on something else. This whole YouTube thing, I don't want to back myself into a corner. Now, while there's 309 of you, there might be more now, hopefully there's more of you, that is the goal. But while I'm relatively small. Like, you could think 300 is a lot, but compared to like what some big YouTubers are, like look at Casey Neistat, that's a guy I've been watching a lot, like 12.3 million, and if you think of it as not subscribers but people, that's when you really think, wow, that is a lot of people. Like, I barely know 100 people. I barely know 100 people and truly know them. So to have like 12.1 million or whatever it is, it's probably, when you're watching this, probably more, because the guy's a cinematic genius, and I really like the guy. But I just wanted to say, like, before I back myself into this metaphorical corner of just doing POVs and just doing one type of video and doing it forever, and me not enjoying the process, it's gonna come across that way in my videos. I'm gonna be less enthusiastic, I'm not gonna want to do it, I'm gonna be miserable, and I don't want to put myself in that corner. So while I'm still gonna be pumping out these POVs and these car videos and just having I tried a POV with my friend Georgia. If you haven't watched that video, I'll put a card in the corner so you can watch that video, or you can watch it after. It's a POV of an Audi S1, it's Vegas yellow, gorgeous car. But yeah, I filmed a different sort of POV. I'm trying to try new things before I just become this one niche, and if I don't fully enjoy this one niche, you guys would unsubscribe or however it works, you know what I mean. But as of right now, we are still in lockdown. We are on the way out of lockdown pretty soon. Check that one, I used my indicator. Wow, first for BMW drivers. Epic POV. BMW uses indicator. What is this? See, I just want to, like I say, broaden my, how would you say it, like horizon, or broaden my, I'm not a wordsmith, you should know this by now. But yeah, I just don't want to get backed into this corner of doing the same thing, not enjoying it, and then it becoming a chore, and then me just giving up on it, because that's the last thing I want to do. I want to take this thing, I want to build a solid foundation for it to go. Imagine, like, I'm trying to build a skyscraper. Oh, I just hit the camera. I'm trying to build a skyscraper, and unless the foundations are solid enough for that skyscraper, it's not gonna be, it's just gonna be a bungalow, you know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to build a bungalow with this YouTube thing, I'm trying to build a skyscraper. That's the sort of analogy you're trying to say. Whether that makes any sense to you or not, who knows, but hopefully it does, because it makes sense in my head, coming from a building background, playing with Legos my entire life, and bricklaying and groundworks and all that stuff. But yeah, we're gonna go down this 70 road that I've been down before. Sorry it's the same route, like I say, it's lockdown at the moment. We can only really go a limited place, like in the sort of area, which is an also annoying thing, because I've got all these ideas and all these places I want to go, but the government, pesky government, once again, not letting us do anything. It's stopping us. I was gonna say I'm in the right lane here, so we'll stick it back in Sports Plus, wait for an open opportunity to bomb it. There we go. That's why I love this car, being able to get to the speed limit real quick. I say that every time I come on this road. But yeah, Sports Plus likes holding on to the gears. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say for this video. I'm just trying to broaden my scale of YouTube capabilities. I'm trying to make sure I build a solid foundation, and I'm trying to make sure that you guys are enjoying the content while I do it, because if you guys don't watch, there's no point in me doing it. Like, I could make the videos, I enjoy making videos, but I'm also trying to keep it that way. Does that make sense? Hopefully that makes sense. Let me know in the comments what you want to see. If you haven't already, subscribe, because there's something slightly different coming to my channel pretty soon, and hopefully you enjoy it, because it's a bit of a project. I'm not going to say too much about it because I'm currently halfway through the project. I don't want to jinx myself and then put all this pressure on myself. So yeah, we're gonna do an end word. We're gonna bring that one back, see if you're actually watching, and see who's a real supporter. So we'll hit you with end word. What can we do? Crossroads. perfect because we're at a crossroads, we're at a roundabout. So with that said, once again, hit the subscribe button, it really helps me out. Hit the like button, share it with your nan, share it with your granddad, share it with your son, share it with anyone you want if they enjoy car videos and if they enjoy my wacky personality. I mean, if you're subscribed, why aren't they subscribed? Just hit them with that. But yeah, enough begging it. Right, on this road, end of the video. Ciao. See you later, hope you have a great day. That's the alloy in question. Yeah, and you can even see where it took the tyre with it. So yeah, but it lives another day.